21 pesos per month or 64 pesos per person per day or 21 pesos per meal. Okay. So this has been your basis to be able to compute the total poverty level or poverty threshold in the Philippines. And a lot are saying that this is actually uh, unreasonable. Hindi po makatotohanan itong sinasabi ninyo na 21 pesos per meal lamang bawat tao araw-araw at 92 pesos per day para sa kabuuang pangangailangan nito. Yung kanilang tinitirhan, yung kanilang transportasyon, at kung ano pang pangangailangan nila sa kalusugan nila. So paano tayo maniniwala doon sa sinasabi ng NEDA na bumaba na yung poverty rate natin kung ito ang computation ninyo? What is your computation of the poverty rate in the Philippines? Ano yung percentage natin?
The latest is 15.5% of our population are deemed poor based on those poverty lines.
15%?
15.5.
15.5%. Okay.
Yes.
Now, if we were to adjust this to a realistic level, first of all, who came up with this computation, sir?
It is an interagency work.
Namalengke po ba sila?
The food